In 2026, every brand claims to be eco-friendly. But if a sustainable pan only lasts 2 years before hitting a landfill, is it actually green? At Wade Media Labs, we skip the marketing buzzwords. We audited 15 eco sets to find the truth. Durability is the only real path to a sustainable kitchen. Most green pans rely on sol gel ceramic coatings. Our data shows these surfaces are prone to micro-pitting and thermal fatigue, failing 3 times faster than traditional materials. We calculated the embodied carbon of each unit. The environmental cost of manufacturing and shipping a new eco pan every 2 years far outweighs the footprint of one high-quality, long-term tool. True sustainability is found in metallurgy. We measured the structural integrity and coating density of every contender to see which ones could survive a decade of daily thermal cycles. Only 3 sets passed our sustainability audit. These winners utilized high-density forged bases and repairable surfaces, proving that longevity is the ultimate eco-feature. Stop buying disposable green gear. In the workshop of the kitchen, a pan that lasts a lifetime is the only one that truly protects the planet. See the full durability logs, the embodied carbon charts, and our 3 sustainability winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the Eco Truth Report.